it was a great experience. The people that came over were patient and professional. Um, we were going through other renovation in the house and they were able to work around it. I love the windows. I think it was the sales rep. She basically came with the product and showed me how the product worked, and also she was very personable with me, so and very understanding. And she showed me everything. She gave me different. She gave me options, whereas the other, I had other people that came in. She showed me a lot of things in the warranty that she showed me was better than the other competition.